Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is 8BM. So if you've never come across my channel and this is your first time, you're welcome to my channel. On this channel I do product review, I teach you how to make skincare product from scratch, I teach you how to do pro mixing, I teach you how to make your body enhancement product. I also tell you about fertility products. Yes, so subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell below. So yes, I've been having this request. Like, I know that treating knuckle can be so tricky. Yeah, because especially when you peel knuckle, most time when you peel your knuckles and you treat them, they come back and they come back worse. Yes, I'm going to tell you the reason why they come back worst. Now, so many people, when you give them knuckle product, especially a knuckle product that is going to peel their knuckle, after the knuckle has peeled, they don't know that they are to maintain that bleached part. It's just like you are dark, like you are very dark. You now bleached your skin, or you whitened up your skin, you became fair. Then because you are fair now, because you've achieved that fairness you want, you now stop the cream that made you fair. You now forget that it was one cream that gave you that color. So what will happen to you? You're going to go dark. So the same thing happened to your knuckle. At times you see some burnt knuckles. After you treat them, they go like that place become very clear. But after some time, the knuckle comes back, and at times when it comes back worse. So before I further, yes, if you've not subscribed to my channel, like I said, subscribe to my channel. And our skincare class is ongoing, and we're starting the class on 25th. And fine, it is a natural skincare formulation class, but if you want to enroll for our promising class, we have various classes available. Advanced classes, advanced. You want to learn organic, you want to learn pro mixing, yeah, just send us a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen. So like I was saying, now when this knuckle peels, it comes back worse than the way it was. That is because you did not maintain your knuckle. Well, right here, I'm not here to make a knuckle maintenance I'm not here to give you a knuckle maintenance recipe, because I'm not doing practical today. I will be giving you sorry, I'm still in the office. I will be giving you recipe, okay? I'll be giving you recipe, and I'll be teaching you how you can actually walk through with this recipe, and you're going to see a very good result. So many people have been trying my recipes that I've been giving out lately, and they are giving me good review. Thank you so much for coming back to tell me how it went. At least you helped me a lot by doing that. Yeah, you're giving me ginger. So now I'm not here to make a knuckle maintenance product. I'm not here to give you the recipe, but I will still do that. But I'm here to teach you another method by which you can actually make a knuckle cream. Okay, so today I'm giving you knuckle cream recipe, and this may peel you. It may mildly peel your skin, depending on your skin type. Like for me, I used it on my nail and it didn't peel me. I have a client I gave it to, and it's peeled her mildly. Okay, so for me it was just clearing off the darker parts gradually. I'm giving you this recipe with some over-the-counter products. So this is not organic. This recipe is obviously pro mixing. So I'll be showing you some product you can actually use. Product like Anivate. Okay, so this is Anivate dark spot corrector. Anivate dark spot corrector cream. I've actually made a video with this cream. I made a powerful pro mixing that you can use to clear your dark bum, dark spots and all that with this Anivate. Okay, so I'll be showing you another serum that you can add to this Anivate, and you're going to have a clearer and a brighter knuckle, like you will be knuckle free. So for this Anivate, okay, Anivate actually contains a whole lot of AHA, because even it's been written on it, it contains salicylic acid. Yeah, and to be honest, I cannot tell you the percentage of salicylic acid in this because I am not the one that's produced this, okay? So but I know it contains salicylic acid, and for it to mildly peel, it's powerful enough, okay? So we are going to need Animate. So just get a clean bowl, a sterilized bowl, okay? Get your scale, or if you don't have scale, but I advise work with scale, you get a measuring spoon, then you measure out Animate, okay? When you measure out Animate, just try, this will be somehow watery, okay, because we want to add enough of this oil, okay? So this is going to be a little bit watery, so add your Animate, add 60 gram or 60 ml, okay? This is actually in gram because it's not liquid, okay? So add 60 ml of Animate, 60 ml into your small bowl or your small cup. Then I'll be showing you another serum that you need to use with the Animate, okay? This is actually not a popular serum, but I've used this and it was working wonders. So the serum is called Zero Spots. So this is how the serum come like. Yeah, Zero Spots. You can actually they call it magic, I think magic white code secrets, and they now wrote Zero Spots here. So from what I read here, they said the super lightening solution to introduce into your toilet milk. So I think you can actually mix this into your body cream, but I've never used it for my body, but I use it to make a knuckle cream using this one also. So this is how it comes, this is how it is inside it. You can see this is oil, this is oil. So add 40 gram of this or 40 ml into the bowl, okay? Then you stir very well. Once you've stirred very well, you pour it into a very airtight container. Then you start applying morning, night, morning, night. If it's possible, apply it 3 times in a day, but just make sure that your knuckle is always like there's something on it. Make sure that it's not always dry, okay? And anytime you finish washing, just apply this cream. You know, we use our hands a lot. I cannot count how many times I've washed my hand today. So anytime you just finish washing, you just apply this cream on your hand. And also you can use this on a dark feet. You can use it on your dark armpit, yeah, dark feet, dark armpits, dark knuckles, any dark area. You can actually use this and it will work fine, okay? So if you want to buy all this, also don't stress to go far, okay? Especially this, because you may find it hard to get this. You can just walk into our store and come and pick up. Now another key factor, or let me say another important thing you need when you're treating knuckle, you need to exfoliate. If you don't exfoliate, your product will not work. Please don't come and say that I used it didn't work and you did not follow my direction. If you did not exfoliate, your product will not work. So you need to exfoliate. And when you want to exfoliate, make sure you use, you know, the Moroccan glove I used to talk about on my channel. Let me show you. Oh, here's our Moroccan exfoliating hand glove. This is what they used to give you, that serious body scrubbing or body wash when you go to spa and they wash the whole of your body. That is the sponge they use. It's different from the normal hand glove that they sell for 400 or 500 or I don't know, but you know what I'm talking of. It's very, very different. Make sure you scrub with this sponge 3 times in a week, okay? You wear the hand glove, you use it to scrub whatever dark area you're using. Using a scrub also, okay? You have to use a scrub. Get a very good scrub and get this hand glove and scrub the affected area, whether your armpit, whether your dark butts, your dark bum bum, or your dark armpits, dark feet, dark knuckle, anywhere you have the knuckle. Make sure you scrub it 3 times in a week. When you scrub, I don't know the kind of scrub you intended using, but make sure that after scrubbing, if the scrub is a whitening scrub, just leave it on for some time, for like 5 minutes before you wash off. After you're done washing off, then you apply this. Just follow this faithfully and consistently, and believe me, in 2 weeks you're going to see great difference. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the recipe I'm giving you, even when you've not tried it. So you can just go on and try this and come and tell me how it goes. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.